Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to allow replies to your posts on Tumblr mobile. To do this, you need to adjust your blog setting, and here's how you do it. First, open the Tumblr app. Next, tap on the silhouette icon. The silhouette icon looks like a person's icon. It is located at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon at the top to access your account settings. Select the blog you want to allow replies for. Tap on Settings within the blog settings. Look for the comments section. Enable the Allow Replies toggle switch. By enabling these settings, you will allow other Tumblr users to reply directly to your posts, fostering interaction and discussion within your blog's community. You can also choose to allow replies only from people you follow by selecting the appropriate option in the comments section. By following these steps, you can easily control who can reply to your posts on Tumblr mobile, giving you more control over the conversation that happens around your content. That's all it takes. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.